So you think you might want to get a publisher for your book? You're going to change your mind after I tell you the real scoop. I'm Vickie Gould with easy writer tips to help you write your book and grow your biz. Today I'm going to share why you should self-publish your book, and I'm also going to bust some misconceptions about traditional and independent publishers. So first of all, let's talk about the ease of self-publishing. So some people think that they have to know a lot of tech, that it looks really scary, that Amazon is really daunting, and they're not going to be able to get their book published if they do it themselves. It could be part of the reason why a lot of people have their books sitting on their computers and not out into the world yet. But here's the thing. If you can attach a document to an email that you're sending, you can self-publish. If you look at Amazon on their KDP platform, there are just 3 little tabs that you have to fill out with your information, description, keywords, categories, things like that, the pricing. You upload your cover, you upload your Word doc for your book, and boom, it is all there. Like, it really is literally that easy. Number 2, the quickness of self-publishing. I've had some friends who I met after I became a book coach, and they told me that they've had to wait over a year to get their book out into the public. Now here's the thing, if you're using your book for your business as a marketing tool to get more followers, to create more reach, to convert readers into clients, can you really wait over a year to actually use the tool that you want to use, right? So being able to self-publish is the best way to get it out quickly. The last book that I had out, my 10th best-selling book, I wrote that book in 4 days. I launched it within a week. Now, I don't recommend that for most people because I already had a following. I already had all the marketing stuff that was set up in place from prior books. So I was able to launch and get it to bestseller in that short time frame, but I don't recommend it for most people. But the point of the story is I was able to publish it that quickly because I self-publish. All right, number 3, royalties. All right, okay, I'm not even going to say this delicately. Royalties suck. There. When you launch your book, and let's say you do a promo on your ebook and it's 99 cents, you get 35 cents back. And don't forget, you're going to get taxed on it. So it's not really worth the royalties. Okay, so let's say that you actually do get $5 or $7 on your book, your ebook, your print book, whichever one or both or whatever. Even that, most of us know that you're going to spend as much time and effort into promoting something that's $10 as you will promoting something that's $500, $1,000, $10,000. So I personally would prefer to promote that upsell from my book, right? Because if you watch my other videos about picking topics and such, we know that you're picking a topic that's going to align with your business products to create a client for your products. You're going to turn your reader into a client. And the upsell to a $500 package or a $10,000 package is way, 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 way easier and more beneficial to your business than chasing down 35 cents or $5 in royalties for your book. Number 4, you retain creative rights when you self-publish. Now that doesn't mean to go and do your own cover and have it look dorky. That means that you get to pick how you have your book look, what you say inside your book, and how you say it. Nobody's going to be telling you take this out, add this in, do this differently. I don't like blue. You need to have your book red. None of that. You get to retain all the creative rights. In addition to, you keep the copyright. And that can change from, publisher to publisher, like who owns the copyright to your book, who owns the manuscript of your book. Like when you self-publish, there's no question, you own everything. So now let's talk about the misconceptions people have sometimes about publishers. Now this may be you, it may not, but let's talk about it. A lot of people feel that if they get a publisher, they're going to do everything for you after you give them the manuscript, and that they're going to obviously publish it, but that they're going to market and sell the books for you so you can just, kick up your feet and not worry about anything and not have to promote your own book. The thing is, why would you not want to promote your own book? Why would you not want to be in charge of marketing? Like, wouldn't you be the best person to talk about your book? Aside from that, publishers these days, when you write them a pitch letter, or your literary agent, in case, some of them won't talk to you personally, you have to have a literary agent, but they're going to ask this: how many followers do you have? What's your social media like? How many books do you think you're going to sell? Because they're in the business of selling books as well, because they're taking a part of your royalties. And I wouldn't want to share those. You are smart enough, bright enough, capable enough to do it yourself. There are people in my Easy Writer program who thought that, there's no way, I'm not good at tech, I don't like computers, they wouldn't be able to do it. But all they do is open up my video that is step by step, get it to a certain point, pause it, put it into Amazon KDP, do that one section, go back, unpause it, watch it, do the section, and they get it done. Like 30 minutes, an hour, you will be done uploading your book so that you can hit publish. So now you know why self-publishing makes so much sense, but you might be wondering, if you're not finished with your book yet, how do you finish it up? How do you get it out of your head? How can I do this faster? So I created what I call my 5 secret strategies to write your book quickly cheat sheet, and you can download the cheat sheet for free by clicking the link below in the description or by going to bit.ly/5 secret strategies. I would love to know now what your thoughts are about getting a publisher and about self-publishing yourself. So leave your comments below and make sure to go ahead and download that free cheat sheet. And one last thing, I want to make sure you know that you can join me and thousands of other entrepreneurs from all over the world writing books and growing their business in the Write Your Biz Book Facebook group. We constantly share ideas, we do live trainings, I do free challenges in there. We support each other in this journey of growing your business and writing your book. I want to make sure that you are able to join us as well. So grab the link below and join us in the group. I know that you'll love it. And if you love this video and you found it to be helpful, be sure to subscribe, share it with your friends, and hit the like button below. And remember, the most transformational book you read is the one that you write. See you next time. Bye. The Easy Writer Guaranteed Amazon Bestseller Program is open and ready for you. Want in? Get more details and sign up at bit.ly/easywriterprogram.